Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to wind a mechanical watch. Whether it is new or vintage, the principles are the same. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, also we post weekly videos with watches, vintage watches and how-to tutorials. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure to subscribe, like this video and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description below. So if you own a mechanical watch, whether it is vintage or new, you usually have the crown at 3 o'clock. And in this exact position, you can actually wind the watch. Now, before winding the watch, what you have to do is to actually set the time. So what you need to do is pull the crown to the last position. It can be the first one if you do not have a date window, so a date complication. And if you have a date complication, you'll have to pull the crown to the second position. So we will set the time. Always make sure to rotate the watch hands clockwise. And after you have adjusted the time, simply push the crown back all the way. You can see that because we winded it a little in the beginning, the watch already works. Now you can go and keep on winding it for around 20 to 30 times. And you can actually hear the watch wind. If you have a see-through back, you can actually see the balance wheel moving. So this is how you know that, for example, if you do not have a seconds hand, that is how you know that the watch is ticking, or you can put it to your ear and you can actually hear the small tick. So guys, that is how you wind your mechanical watch. Also, if you have an automatic watch, you will find a rotor on the back. So what this does is, as you move your wrist, it will actually do the same thing as you do with your hand winding. So instead of doing this, by moving your wrist, you will actually wind the watch. You can also wind your automatic watch. So the same principle applies. Pull the crown to the last position. Set the time by rotating the watch hands clockwise. Push the crown to the initial position. And now simply wind the watch. So guys, this is how you wind your mechanical or automatic watch. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website, vintageradar.com. See you on the next one.